incredibly practical EDC tool EH4. This tool is specifically designed for those who need convenient and efficient tools in their daily lives. First, the built-in screwdriver function with multiple commonly used bits lets you switch quickly based on your needs, solving the problem of traditional screwdrivers being bulky and single-purpose. The EH4 is made of high-quality titanium alloy, ensuring durability, while the bits are made of carbon steel to meet all your daily needs. Its design dimensions are incredibly compact. It is composed of 20 parts, the weight of only 41 grams. But the design highlights don't stop there. It features a unique quick-release function, allowing you to handle various situations effortlessly, whether you're outdoors or in daily life. Additionally, he features a built-in 2-inch scale on his body, designed to meet emergency needs in daily life and provide convenience anytime.